Have you ever considered the secret life of a condom before it even leaves its wrapper? We often focus on how to use them, but what about how we store them? That little package holds the key to big protection, and it is more vulnerable than you might think. To answer directly, many common, everyday sharp items can easily puncture condom wrappers. These seemingly harmless objects pose a significant risk to the integrity of your condom, potentially rendering it ineffective when you need it most. The reason for this vulnerability lies in the wrapper itself. Condom wrappers are typically made from thin aluminum foil or a specific type of plastic. Their primary job is to create an airtight, sterile, and lightproof environment, protecting the condom from air, moisture, and contamination. This thin material is crucial for keeping the condom fresh and effective, but it is also delicate. Even a tiny pinprick can compromise this protective barrier, allowing air to seep in or the lubricant to dry out, which in turn weakens the latex or synthetic material of the condom. So, what sharp items should you be particularly mindful of? Think about the usual suspects lurking in your pockets or bags. Keys are a major culprit, with their jagged edges and pointed teeth. Coins, especially those with ridged edges, can also cause damage. Even something as seemingly innocuous as a nail file, a stray pen with a sharp tip, or the zipper of your jeans can create a tiny, almost invisible tear in the wrapper. Jewelry, like rings or bracelets, when tossed into a bag with condoms, can easily snag and rip the delicate foil. Tools, if you carry them, are an obvious hazard. Even the sharp corners of a smartphone or a credit card, with enough pressure or friction, can wear down or puncture the wrapper material over time. To avoid these hazards, think about designated storage. Instead of tossing a condom loosely into your back pocket or the bottom of a bag, consider keeping it in a dedicated wallet compartment that is separate from coins and keys. Small, purpose-built condom cases are also an excellent option. They offer a rigid shield, protecting the wrapper from all sides. If you carry a purse or backpack, choose an inner pocket that is less likely to have sharp or heavy objects rubbing against it. The goal is to isolate your condom from anything that could cause friction or a puncture. It is important to understand that damage is not always obvious. Sometimes, the wrapper might only sustain a micro tear, a tiny puncture that is almost impossible to see with the naked. This kind of invisible damage can still allow air to seep in, compromising the condom's structural integrity and its ability to prevent pregnancy or sexually transmitted infections. Beyond sharp objects, remember that extreme temperatures and constant friction, such as carrying a condom in a tight wallet for an extended period, can also weaken the material. Always give your condom wrapper a quick visual check for any tears, holes, or even a missing air bubble before opening it. If it feels flat or looks compromised, it is best to discard it and use a fresh one. Ultimately, being mindful of how you store your condoms is a simple yet powerful step in ensuring their effectiveness. By proactively protecting the wrapper from sharp items and adverse conditions, you are not just safeguarding a piece of latex, you are safeguarding your sexual health, your peace of mind, and the confidence that your chosen method of protection is ready to perform as intended. This small habit makes a big difference in preventing unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections, allowing you to focus on enjoying intimacy safely and responsibly.